Angular introduces an initial prototype of the new syntax for selectorless templates. This syntax is still being developed and discussed, so it's not final and may change. This new syntax uses the class name of a component instead of a selector. This example shows a component and two directives. The @ symbol is used before directive names. This second directive takes two input bindings. As usual, strings or expressions. This is an attribute and can have an input binding as usual. What does this case look like in the new syntax? The component class name is used instead of the attribute selector. In the new syntax, each directive has its own input bindings. One input name, but different values for each directive. And an example of directives on an HTML element. This is still just the first prototype.